Okay. N'izu gara aga, last week, I mụrụ akụkụ ahụ mmadụ, parts of human body. Who can come here and help us with this? Who remembers everything from A to Z? If you can name them in Igbo and English. Who can try? Okay. Start from up, down. Right. We just revise it and we go to our today's class, the ruler. Please, after him, okay? Everybody.
Ishi. Anya. Ntị. Eze. Imi. Ọnụ. Obi. Afọ. Otubo. Apata ụkwụ. Ikpere. Ukwu. Ikere ukwu.
Can you point at the body? Ọba ụkwụ.
Mkpịsị ụkwụ. Mkpịsị aka. Ukwu. Aka. Babụ.
Ngo.
Olu. Aba. Buranya.
Gafere ntị. Ntị. Not ntị. Ntị. Okay. Correct, Aka. Okay. Kedu onye ga-abịa gosi m ikpere na bọọdụ? Daberechi, bịa gosi m ikpere. Bịa gosi m ikpere na bọọdụ. Ikpere. Gosi anyị ikpere. Search. Kedu ebe ọ na ahụ mmadụ? Where is it? Okay. Nwere ike ịdọ ya aka na bọọdụ. No.
Is that your name?
Already. No. Good. Where is that? Okay. Kedu ikpere gị? Where is your ikpere? Your own. Okay. Level. Kedu onye ga-egosi anyị olu? Olu. Good. Correct, Aka. Chinemeze, what is olu?
Neck.
Huh?
Neck.
Beautiful. All right, Chinemeze, Biagusa, come and show us. Aka. Biagusa, Aka. Good. Correct, Aka. Aka putara gịnị? Hand. Chimiko naanị gị. Kedu junior na echiche? Okay. Kedu onye ga-egosi anyị agba? Do you want to try?
Sure.
Agba.
try after me, okay?
Is it Artemis wants to try?
Okay.
Woo, the better girl. Wait. Yeah. You stand. Okay. Show us jaw.
Wait, sure.
Good. Clap for Artemis, please. All right. Artemis, calm down. You did great. Can you because I Imi? Chinemeze. Imi. Nabife. After Chinemeze, give you a go say Anya. You've shown us Imi. Chinemeze. Imi. Good. Correct, Aka. Imi. And what is that in English? Nose. Nabife. I go say Anya. Anya. Anya.
Just tap.
Just tell her you
Point at the body. What is the body? Where is it? Good. Correct, Aka. Good. Anya. Which is what? Okay. Eworonye na amutai ihe gbasara akụkọ ahụ mmadụ. You still confused? There's something you didn't know or you didn't learn. You have a question about. Eworonyo, you got it all right. This is what we learned last week. We were not there. I don't know if you got any chance to go. Okay. All right. We're going to clean it out and we will go into today's topic. So today, we're still learning the Igbo words and just remind us of I can choose I mkpụrụ edemede Igbo wee mebe mkpụrụ okwu. We are still using the Igbo letters of the alphabet to make what? Words. To make words. N'izu gara aga ihe anyị mụrụ bụ akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. Anyị mụrụ gịnị?
Akụkụ ahụ mmadụ.
Good. And I know that if we put up an exam now, all of us are going to pass, right? Being able to label the parts of the body, the ones we can see and touch. N'ụbọchị taa, ihe anyị ga-amụ bụ anyị ga-eji mkpụrụ okwu Igbo wee mebe okwu ihe gbasara gịnị bụ ihe a? Okay. Sorry, don't get confused. Ụlọ, mmadụ niile. Is your mom coming in? Gịnị bụ ụlọ?
House.
Huh?
Home.
No. House.
That's what I said.
N'ụbọchị taa, ihe anyị na-achọ ịmụ bụ ụdị ụlọ maọbụ ụdịrị ụlọ enwere n'ala Igbo. Ụdịrị ụlọ enwere n'ala Igbo. Ka anyị kwuo ya. Mmadụ niile. Ọzọkwa. Praise ka ihe na-achọ. I have. Keep that. Ụdịrị ụlọ enwere n'ala Igbo. Mmadụ niile. Okay. That is the different types or kinds of houses we have in Igbo culture. Okay? Ụlọ dị n'iche n'iche. Ụlọ dị n'iche n'iche. M sị gịnị? Ọzọkwa? Gịnị ka ọ pụtara? There are different houses. There are different types of houses. All of the niche na ala Igbo na gaisi maraya n'Igbo. Okay? Taa, anyị ga-eleba anya n'ụfọdụ ụlọ ndị anyị nwegasịrị n'ala Igbo. Ụlọ bụ house, dịka ndị bekee kpọrọ ya. Ụlọ nwere ike ịbụ ma nke a na-arụ arụ ma nke a rụchara na ha niile bụ ụlọ. Ụlọ nwere ike ịbụ ụlọ ebe anyị na-aga eme ihe wee laghachite, ma ebe a na-aga ehi ụra, ma ebe a na-aga anọ ọdụ, ha niile bụchi ụlọ. Anyị ga-ebido n'ileba anya n'ụdịrị ụlọ ndị anyị nwere n'ala Igbo. Nke a, the reason we're looking at it this way is because culturally, the different types of houses we might have in Igbo culture might be different from what you might have in English. So, nke mbụ bụ ụlọ. Okay. So, let's do this. Akwụkwọ ahụ m nyere gị, I want you to draw a house.
Yes.
Your own type of house. Whatever you imagine to be in a house, draw. Start.
This is good. I have a perfect house and always.
Okay, if you don't say where mmadụ niile, aga m agagharị n'ahụ ihe unu na-ese. Unu na-ese nke unu m na-ede nke m, okay? Praise what you need. No, just draw the house, not a person going to the house.
This house is really good.
See, no.
Aha. I like your house. Yeah. The door. The door.
Is that a house? Oh my God. Where is the foundation? All right, you go and draw another one, Alice. Okay. Okay.
Look at my first house. This one. Yeah.
Chinora, Isechago,
This is really good house.
are you done drawing?
Nice.
Good.
Yeah.
What kind of house did you draw? You say the kind of house you drew, okay? Whatever house you drew, you let us know what kind of house you drew.
I did. I did. Can we draw an apartment?
Okay. Diane, I am about to saying stop drawing. Stop drawing. I will take a picture of some houses that I draw that I appreciate. I will take a picture of them. But stop drawing, please. When there are those that did a very wonderful job drawing. Artemis, I can't even see your house. I'm only seeing a circle. Yeah. All right. Okay. Ụfọdụ ụlọ enwere na ala Igbo bụ ndị a. Can you all look on the board, please? Ụlọ obibi mmadụ niile. Ụlọ akwụkwọ. Ụlọ nzukọ. Arinze. Here. Stop. Ụlọ okpukpechi. Ụlọ mkpochi. Ụlọ anụmanụ. Ụlọ ọrụ. Ụlọ ịsa ahụ. Ụlọ ọgwụ. Ụlọ oriri na nkwari. Ụlọ ikpe. Ụlọ ezumike. Ụlọ ezumezu. Ụlọ nche. Ụlọ elu. Ụlọ ala. Ụlọ aja. Ụlọ osisi. Okay. These are some of the houses we have in our cultural concept. Are you all listening?
Yes.
Listen to me. What we are trying to look at is what does each of these houses mean? Now, let's go. Gịnị bụ ụlọ obibi? Who can guess? Regular. Ụlọ obibi. A house that you live in. How do you say it? Ụlọ obibi. A home. A home. Or what? A living house. Ụlọ obibi bụ home. Ụlọ obibi mmadụ niile. Obibi. Ọ bụrụ na Igbo ịchọ isi let's live together, how do you say it? Ka anyị biri. Ka anyị biri mmadụ niile. Ka anyị biri ọzọkwa. To live in a house, how do you say it? Ibi n'ụlọ. Ibi n'ụlọ mmadụ niile. Ọzọkwa. Ibi n'ụlọ. You see how we got our obibi. Ụlọ obibi. So the verb be signifies live. From be ka anyị ga-eji nweta all other words. Be mmadụ niile. Ọzọkwa. Be. What is be? Live. Even to live a life. How do we say to live a life? Ibi ndụ. You are living a life. You are alive. So ibi ndụ is also to live. Ibi ndụ. I want a mmadụ sị gị ị na-ebi ndụ. It can also mean you are enjoying. Ibi ndụ. Ngwa na-ebiri ndụ gị. Na-aga. Are you all listening?
Yes.
I want a mmadụ sị gị ị na-ebi ndụ. Chibiko, what does that mean? Ị na-ebi ndụ. I just said it now. So you're not listening, Chibike. Huh? I can't hear you. Can you listen?
I didn't hear that.
Okay, try and listen, okay? So I want a man to say in a window. It means you are enjoying. Oh, yeah. But ibindo, potara, to be alive, to live. All right. Be madunile. Be. Ozokwa. Be. Ozokwa. Ebe a ka isi nweta ụlọ obibi, home, or you can say living house. Ụlọ akwụkwọ, gịnị ka ọ pụtara? School. Nke bụ house of what? House of learning, house of book, or books. House of learning. Ụlọ mmụta. Ụlọ akwụkwọ mmadụ niile. Ọzọkwa, si n'obi say, ụlọ akwụkwọ. Can you say? Ụlọ akwụkwọ. Ụlọ akwụkwọ. Okay. Ụlọ nzukọ mmadụ niile. Ọzọkwa. Chinora, kedu ihe na-egi ka na-eme? I thought you were done drawing. You're writing. Get on, it's better to learn when others are learning. Ụlọ nzukọ, everybody. Ụlọ nzukọ pụtara what? What? Is meeting place. Now, what can we say is an example of a meeting place? Huh? It could be conference. It could be like the place we are in, the conference room, okay? Wherever people can meet. But we also use this word ụlọ nzukọ to mean this next one, ụlọ okpukpechi, which is what? Church. A place of worship. So, n'Igbo, anyị na-ekwu ụlọ nzukọ to mean church. Anyị na-ekwukwa ụlọ okpukpechi to mean church, a place of worship. Anyị na-ekwukwa ụlọ ofufe to mean a place of worship. All right. Ka anyị kwuo ya mmadụ niile, ụlọ nzukọ. Ọzọkwa. Ụlọ okpukpechi. Ụlọ nzukọ. Ụlọ okpukpechi. Okay. Ụlọ nzukọ pụtara ebe a na-agbakọ, ebe a na-ezukọ. It could be a hall. N'ala Igbo, a na-enwe ihe a na-akpọ village hall. A na-enwe gịnị? Village hall, where community people meet to have their meetings. Ebe ahụ bụkwa ụlọ nzukọ ma ọ bụ ụlọ ọgbakọ. Ụlọ ọgbakọ mmadụ niile. Okay. Ụlọ anụmanụ mmadụ niile. Ọzọkwa, oh, sorry, before that. Ụlọ mkpochi mmadụ niile. Ọzọkwa, Junior bịa were akwụkwọ ebe a. Gịnị bụ ụlọ mkpochi? Who can ever remember, who can ever think of it? Yes.
Maybe like a lock house?
No. Do you have this?
Oh, yeah, I have a
Okay. No. Ụlọ mkpochi. Who can imagine what it means? No, what? It means toilet.
No, I have that.
Toilet. Ụlọ mkpochi mmadụ niile. We don't usually call it ụlọ nsị. Okay, even though that's what it is. But so nsị is one of the things ndị Igbo na-anaghị achọ ịkpọ aha. You don't use that word when somebody is eating. Okay? You don't say nsị anyhow. Excrement. So we don't say it all many of the time. So we use euphemistic words. So ụlọ mkpochi, toilet, ụlọ mkpochi. Okay. Ụlọ anụmanụ mmadụ niile. What could that be?
Barn.
Huh? Barn. Ebe a na-edobe anụmanụ.
Don't crash out.
And I know that in English, there are different kinds of Olanoman, right? So the one where you keep poultry is for livestock. Horses, I can't remember. Stable, pig. Fine. So, I mean, all of them go Olanoman. So whether it is poultry, whether it is stable, or pen, or barn, or whatever, high level, livestock house. All right. Workplace. 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 Everybody. Ụlọ ịsa ahụ mmadụ niile. What does that mean?
Shower.
Not shower. Bathroom. Bathhouse.
You said shower. You said shower. You said everybody does that.
Shower is used in America.
Shower is.
You don't always shower when you are taking your bath. But you always bath when you are bathing, right?
My brain is not doing right now.
Sidobi Norodo. Is that not correct? You don't always shower when taking bath, right? When taking a bath. But you always bath.
I know how to do like that.
All right. Begini.
Pharmacy. Hospital.
Hospital. Ụlọ ahụike. Hospital. Ụlọ ọgwụ mmadụ niile. Ụlọ ahụike mmadụ niile. All right. Ụlọ ọgwụ means house of medicine. Sinobi, can you sit down? Sinobi. While Olahike means house where you get well. All right. Ola Oriri na Nkwari, everybody. A place of enjoyment. What do we call it in English?
Party.
Party place, right? Huh?
Yeah.
But this word is what we use for hotel. Hotel. Ụlọ oriri na nkwari. So that is coming from the idea that if you go to the hotel, you go there to enjoy, to spend your money. So Igbo people believe, Chibike, by my class you sit up, okay? You're not supposed to sleep. All right, Ụlọ ikpe mmadụ niile. Ụlọ ikpe, everybody. And what does that mean?
Courthouse. Courthouse.
Courthouse. Kọrọ na onye kwuru ya ha aka. Do Americans say courthouse?
Yeah. No, it's White House.
They just say
White House. White House.
All right, whether it's courthouse or house, yes, Chichi. Hey!
I thought we were supposed to do 1 hour of class and then dance.
Yeah, we're going there.
It's 3:40.
When they waste all, problem. So, Ụlọ ikpe is courthouse. Ụlọ ezumike, everybody, Ụlọ ezumike. Resting place. What can we call a resting place? Guest house. Like guest house.
An inn?
An inn. An inn.
I just thought of that.
So it could be an inn. It can also be hotel. We also use it to indicate a hotel. All right. Ụlọ ezumezu mmadụ niile. Ọzọkwa ụlọ ezumezu pụtara ụlọ ọgbakọ. That is community hall.
Let us stand.
Community hall. Ụlọ nche mmadụ niile. Ọzọkwa. What would that be? Huh? No.
Bye.
Security house.
Video game.
What does enchant mean?
Nche means security. Iche, nche. To secure a person is to iche onyaho. Secure. Yeah, to wear on there. I mean, another word. No, not with rope. Iche here now means to secure. Iche, iche. To, but the idea is something to wear on someone, but waiting to protect. Chekwara mi ha. Chedoro mi ha. Okay? That means take care of it for me. Look after it for me. Alright, secure it. Ulelu, ulelu. Upstairs. Hola, la bogene.
Downstairs. Downstairs.
Downstairs.
Hola, aja bogene.
Sand house.
Hola, aja.
Red house.
Mud house.
Mud house.
It's playground. Why is there a mud?
Ulu sisi bogene.
Wood house.
Wooden house.
What is a mud house?
Mud house.
Shed.
What do you think? It's a house made of mud.
Chibike. I'm
It's
gonna
a
look
house made out of mud.
Yes, I'm gonna look at what you do. And if you did not write it, I'm not gonna
It's not disgusting. I'm not joking.
So I was reminded of one. Olonga mmadụ niile. Ụlọ mkpọrọ mmadụ niile. Ụlọ nga. Ụlọ mkpọrọ. Gịnị ka ọ pụtara?
Prison.
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 Yeah.